Okay, good morning. Now we'll discuss the analog electronics laboratory in the experiment of instrumentation amplifier. First of all, you can introduce what is the amplifier. Amplifier means you can generate weak signal into strengthened signal. For example, in this instrumentation amplifier is the precision of differential amplifier used to amplify low level signal while rejecting common mode noise. The aim of this instrumentation amplifier is to study the operation of the instrumentation amplifier. Then, what are the components or parts required? For example, in this instrumentation amplifier, you can use the LM741 op-amp IC, then regulated power supply, then a resistor. You can use the 10 clones, then DRB, breadboard and wire. You can use the ICs LM741 op-amp. In this LM741 op-amp used to transducer to amplify weak signal, high input impedance, higher CMRR and low noise make it suitable for measurement system. CMRR means common mode rejection ratio. And need for instrumentation amplifier to amplify the low level signal, rejects noise and high accuracy. Then used in biomedical and industrial measurements. This circuit diagram for used here used for instrumentation amplifier. Here used two components, that is push pull amplifier, that is insert the circuit diagram for the laboratory manual in the manual. For example, working principle: amplify the difference between two input signal and reject common mode signal. Output depends on the differential gain. These are all the procedure and observation. You can calculate differential gain AD, then common mode gain AC, and CMRR common mode rejection. In this instrumentation amplifier used to medical application, used to medical instrumentation, data acquisition system, and industrial process control and sensor signal controlling. This is the instrumentation amplifier in the analog electronics laboratories. Thank you.